no need to use this kind of referendum because at the end of the day they will be lose to fight the voice coming from the majority itself, ladies and gentlemen. So basically their argument is totally contradictory to begin with, ladies and gentlemen. Second of all, towards DLO, ladies and gentlemen. So DLO said that this is like a form of option from the government itself, ladies and gentlemen. But basically, this kind of option will most likely harm towards the government itself, ladies and gentlemen. Why is that so, ladies and gentlemen? Because it will affect their policy making to begin with, ladies and gentlemen. Because you always demand for the referendum itself, while at the same time the government also work for their own policy, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why the referendum that you always propose to begin with, ladies and gentlemen, might not be necessary to begin with, ladies and gentlemen, because there are a lot of demand coming from the referendum itself, ladies and gentlemen. So basically, you can do like aspiration, vocalize your voice in social media that's totally accessible to begin with. You don't need to use like referendum and so on and so forth, ladies and gentlemen. Even if you say that in status quo already progressive and so on and so forth, but you have to note that the polarizations in media is totally huge, ladies and gentlemen. And also the process of referendum is not as simple as you think, ladies and gentlemen. It takes a lot of process to begin with and so on and so forth. So imagine that you always do like referendum again and again, and then while we think that your problems basically can be solved by the government itself. So it will most likely spend your a lot of budget to do like referendum again and again. But while at the same time the government can tackle this down for that.
How come you believe that society will always protest toward the government policies when the policy that they make is proper for the government or for them themselves?
Remember that within a country there are a lot of differences of ideology that my previous already told you before. There are a lot of spectrum within society with difference of ideology and spectrum and so on. So meaning that they have their own interest, they have their own plan and so on and so forth. That and also they can abuse this kind of referendum to fulfill their own necessity to begin with. Therefore, we think that this is totally things that is really harm to do, ladies and gentlemen. And then towards member of government, they said that it will prevent the case of discrimination, and also it will incentivize the government to look your minority and so on and so forth. So basically this is totally contradictory from the opposition side, because the opposition side actually already said that the status quo already progressive and so on and so forth. Therefore basically we talk in the world that where all of the people are already progressive and so on and so forth. Therefore the case of discrimination less likely to be happen. Even if you do like referendum, most likely discrimination happening in your side, ladies and gentlemen, because the moment when you try to propose referendum, you most likely cannot win those kind of referendum itself, ladies and gentlemen. So comparison to the opening government, basically the opening government never explain about where this kind of representative will come, ladies and gentlemen. And also they lack to explain about how then without referendum you can distribute policy in all layers of society itself, ladies and gentlemen. So comparing to my previous speaker, so my previous speaker already told you that there were like representative in each minority itself in parliament. So it most likely better and also effective in the terms of time and so on so forth, ladies and gentlemen. And also second of all, basically the moment when we rely on the policy that coming from the government itself, it most likely better itself, ladies and gentlemen. Because they already know, they already master and also the condition and so on and so forth. So so most likely we no longer need to spend a lot of budget to create like referendum again and again, ladies and gentlemen. So with this we believe that CG takes the debate. Thank you.
Yeah.
Perhatikan lah, masih ada beberapa yang nggak clear juga.
subtext this.
Ya, aksesibelnya kenapa lebih aksesibel lagi di kau dan lain-lain.
Jadi,
I think we already explained that.
Kenapa kok gitu?
Yes, and I already explained that, the accessibility.
mostly itu accessibility happen jadi kayak
Ya, haven't in what side?
iya utang jangan
Nara utang apa suruh kok? Perhatikan kan. Makanya
Sama suruh kok.
jangan
Ada
tertarik.
orang insecure bilang, ih juga tidak ada belajar sama suruh kok.
Jangan perhatikan
Beda
muka
memang,
aku.
Say.
kalau tentang mukanya perhatikan
Iya, perhatikan muka